In the diagnostic menu, you can check various parts of the electronics for errors and read out the software and meter readings. To do this, go to the third page of Soft Keys and press this button. Here you will first find the diagnostic menus for the individual components at the top. At the bottom is the menu for the meters and software statuses. There, we find the total meter of the machine. In the case of a Maestro, the total amount of seed applied is shown at the top. The total area and distance worked, and the time and working position follows at the bottom. The operating hours, on the other hand, show how long the terminal was switched on. The Info ECU button takes you to the software status. There you can read out the software status of all installed electronic parts. If you press the soft key with the singulation units, you can display their software statuses. The UT button with the trash can is there to delete the machine pools. You can still view the error codes with the bottommost soft key. You only really need this if a service technician asks for it.